answer is मैंने दूध पिया था. I drank milk.
It is past simple. Is it?
Yeah, ma'am, in past simple.
Okay. So Vinod, tell me. Hello, Vinod. Unmute yourself and please tell your answer. Name a sentence in past simple form.
In past simple tense. Okay, ma'am. वह वहां जाता था. He went there.
He went there. Okay. Now I want to say you something. Please listen to it very carefully. In past simple, it is not necessary that only tha will be used. If you are telling that उसने ये काम किया, he did this work, it will be good. It is past simple. If you are telling that इसने उसने ये काम किया था, he did this work, that is also correct. Did you get the difference? Did you get the difference? मैंने कपड़े धोए. मैंने कपड़े धोए. I washed clothes. मैंने कपड़े धोए थे. I washed clothes. If you have not understood, please let me know.
I'm understood.
Okay, very good. Next, Vinod, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Karan, did you understand, dear? Hello, Karan. Hello, Karan. Where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, Shika, you explain me what I told now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you said that if the sentence is like मैंने कपड़े धोए, so its English will be I washed the clothes. And yeah, if there is the same sentence, if the sentence is this, मैंने कपड़े धोए थे, so its meaning will be I washed the clothes. So there is no difference. They like these sentences are same.
Yeah, another thing I want to say that a in the past simple tense a, then a ka matra or e ki matra will be there. That means मैंने खाना खाया. So a ka matra is there. So I ate food. मैंने खाना खाया था. I ate food. Both the sentences will be in past simple form. Now did you get the point? Now did you get the point?
Yeah, ma'am.
Do you have any question?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
It is really very important to know. It is
No,
very
ma'am.
maybe sometimes it is very confusing, but you have to be really clear for that. आ का मात्रा या ई की मात्रा या रहीमा ने क्या रहीमा वहां गई. रहीमा went there. रहीमा वहां गई थी. Rahima went there. That's the thing. That's the funda. So, tha will be there in past simple tense. That is not sometimes necessary. Aka matra, up to aka matra also someone say. So, after that, you have to understand the work is being finished. That means it is past tense. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I want to ask one question to Vinod. Are you ready, Vinod? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want to say that मैंने खाना खाया, it is past simple tense. मैंने खाना खाया था, it is past simple tense. मैंने खाना खाया है, which tense it is?
It is present simple tense.
No dear, it is not present simple tense.
No, ma'am. Past simple tense.
No. है is there, है is there, है is there. So which tense it is?
मैंने खाना खाया है. I eat food. Present simple tense.
No. मैंने खाना खाया है. Which tense it is? Karan, tell me. Tell your answer.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, मैंने खाना खाया है.
Which tense it is?
Ma'am, present simple.
खाना खाया है. मैं खाना खाता हूँ नहीं. I eat food not. मैं खाना खाता हूँ नहीं. मैंने खाना खाया है. My work is been done already. My work has been finished already in this present moment. It is finished. So what is the tense here? Tell me, Shika.
Present perfect.
Very good.
Yeah, ma'am, present
Very
perfect.
good. Very good. Talented girl. Talented girl. You are really talented. You will be the master of grammar. Really. Very good. Very good. Present perfect tense. It is. मैंने खाना खाया है. है means present. है means present. खाना खा लिया है. That means it is complete. Today it is complete. That means it is present perfect tense. That's all. That's the simple funda. That's the game here. That's the game here. This simple game you have to understand. Do you understand, Vinod? Did you understand? Hello,
Yes,
Vinod.
ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you understand, then tell me what did you understood? आप लोगों ने क्या समझा? One by one, please
Ma'am, I
tell me.
understood.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I understood.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I understood that this was a present perfect tense because here work is finished.
It is present
मैंने खाना
perfect
खाया
tense.
है.
मैंने खाना खाया है.
Perfect
Work
tense.
is finished. है means अभी मैंने खत्म किया है. अभी मैंने खत्म किया है. आज मैंने खत्म किया है. खाना खा लिया है. मैं खाना खाता हूँ नहीं. खाता हूँ, जाता हूँ. That is go, come, like that. Eat like that. But खा लिया है मैंने. मैं खाना खाता हूँ मतलब मैं रोज खाना खाता हूँ. इस टाइम में या डेली खाता हूँ ऐसा. That's one is very habituated things are there. It is present simple tense. But मैंने खाना खाया है मतलब मेरा खाने का जो काम है वो खत्म हो गया है. और कब खत्म हुआ? आज ही खत्म हुआ. आज ही खत्म हुआ. That means how can I know that आज खत्म हुआ? That means है is written here. मैंने खाना खाया है. That is written है. So it will be present simple, present perfect tense.
Perfect tense.
परफेक्ट टेंस में कंप्लीट हो जाता है सब कुछ. कंप्लीट हो जाता है. अगर पास्ट परफेक्ट है तो कल कंप्लीट हो गया. और अगर है लिखा है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है तो आज कंप्लीट हुआ. आज के दिन जो जो काम कंप्लीट हुआ वही प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कहलाता है. वही है फंडा. यही है फंडा. इसी को तो पकड़ना है. नहीं तो ग्रामर का क्या मतलब? ग्रामर तो कुछ नहीं है. समझ गए बप्पे? ओ बच्चे तुम लोग समझ गए हो क्या? पर एक चीज है. वन थिंग इज दैट आई गॉट समथिंग दैट यू आर वेरी मच knowing the differences of the tenses. That is the main thing you are acquiring. Yeah, you are researching and you are getting to know. That's the thing. Yeah, it is present perfect tense. So what is the what is the definition of present perfect tense? How you will understand that it is a sentence present perfect tense? I want to hear from Karan.
Okay. When present perfect tense coming, mainly it is used mainly in that chuka is used, and in that the work is start in past, but now it is completed.
जो काम कोई काम आज ही शुरू हुआ, आज ही खत्म हुआ है, there will be hai we used, that means it is present, and perfect means khatam aaj hi ho gaya, khatam ho gaya, complete. So it is
या
परफेक्ट
मैम
टेंस. खाया है, गया
जो
है,
काम
आया
पहले
है,
स्टार्ट हुआ है और
सोचा है.
आज अब
हाँ,
खत्म हो गया
मैंने आपके लिए कुछ सोचा है. आई हैव थॉट समथिंग फॉर यू. सोचा है, खाया है. अगर मैंने बोला होता कि सोचा था, खाया था, गया था, then it would be present, this one, past perfect tense. I had thought something for you. That's the funda, that's the game, that's the, what the game name is, the popular game, what's the name is, I forgot its name. Popular game, no, what's the, this was, the game was banned, no, after that it has started again. Fire.
PUBG.
Yeah, PUBG.
Free Fire.
PUBG game, that's the PUBG game of grammar. Yeah, really, it was really very famous, and again it is banned, and it has come again in new, with a new name. I don't know what's, I can't remember its name, what is. But I saw that children are really so busy with this game. That one I watched. Yeah. So did you understand now what is the fun? What is the formula of present past simple? Past simple. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So past simple
Yes,
is
ma'am.
मैंने गाना गाया, मैंने गाना गाया था. To both the sentence will be in past simple tense. Okay. And if I say that मैंने गाना गाया है, so it will be present perfect tense.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's